Welcome! Here's how to install your MicroENE red light ring. Before starting, please make sure all parts are included. Start by assembling the base rails. Remove the pre-installed butterfly screws. Connect the rails and tighten them back in. You'll connect 4 rails to form a full circle. Next, follow the markings on the light strip. With the pins facing down, insert it into the socket on the base rail at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the LED surface is facing inward toward the center of the ring. Repeat this process. You can install up to 28 light strips on the first tier. Press and hold the on button until the lights turn on. If any light strip does not turn on, check for loose connections. To build the second tier, install light strips into every second socket. When inserting the connectors, pay close attention to the direction. The opening of the clip must face upward. The side with the text should face sideways. Install connectors on every second light strip. Push the stabilizer strips into the connector clips from the top. Overlapping the strips at the ends is normal and designed for stability. Light strips without connectors will be installed on top to form the second tier. With the pins facing down, insert it into the connector on the first tier light strip at a 90-degree angle. The second tier uses 14 sockets, 2 light strips per socket. Please refer to the user guide for remote control and part replacement. Thanks for watching.